I'll read for you all. Given number is 5 minus root 2. So what is the rational part? We have rational part as 5. What is the irrational part? Irrational part is root 2. What is the sign in between them? Minus. So the radius to be taken in the compass will be of we have to take 2 as a center part. You have to take as 5. So center is 5. Okay, that center part is 5. An arc of root 2 on left hand side. So on a given number line, draw an arc of root 2 on the dash side. So which side now, as you have minus sign? So here you write down left side of 5 and you have to draw for root 2. Okay, here you are going to just write down what is the center. You are going to take a center of 5 towards the left hand side of 5. We are going to take as root 2. Similarly here, minus 1 minus root 5. So what is the rational part? Minus 1. What is the irrational part? We have root 5. And what is the sign between them? Minus 1. So what is the center we are going to take? Center is minus 1. So we are going to have the given number line, drawn an arc on the, again as it is a minus sign, so we have on the left side. So left side of minus 1 you are going to take, right? Left side of the minus 1. And how much? You are going to take at root 5. So let us practically do it. Okay, let us practically do the things. Both the things we will be doing here. So already children, the number line is given to you. You have to do further. Okay. So for us, the first thing is you are going to take root 5 as origin, right? This is your center part you are going to take. हाँ, और यहाँ से अभी लेफ्ट साइड जाना, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, सो यहाँ से अभी ना वो रूट 2 लेना है. तो रूट 2 कैसे आता था? इफ़ यू रिमेंबर द पाइथागोरस 1 1 एंड रूट 2 इज द थिंग्स. सो फ्रॉम हियर you are going to take a unit distance. So what are left hand? So 5 say unit distance will be 4. So on 4 you are going to draw the perpendicular. So with the help of the protractor you are going to draw the perpendicular at point 4. So draw the perpendicular. Correct? Then this much. Then now on the perpendicular line, always what you are supposed to take? You have to take the unit distance. So unit distance, how will you measure? See, when we have drawn, we have taken as 2 centimeter. But here whatever is this part is your unit distance. So measure this unit distance, children. See how much I took. I took from 4 to 3. This is my unit distance. So take that much here also. So take the same distance, whatever is the distance between any 2 digit here, same distance you are going to take on 4. Okay, वहाँ पे आपका करते थे हम लोग, because it was giving the 2 centimeter each. So this is our unit distance. I hope it is visible to all now, as I had marked dark. So once you do it, children, see this is your triangle. Now triangle on the left hand side it will be like this. So this is your actually root 2 part. See, this is 1, automatically this will be root 2, right? So now what you are going to take? You are going to take from 5 से ये इतना distance, the unit distance which you have taken on the number line, that much you are going to take, and this is you are going to take on a number line. So this is what it is. Okay, this is what it is. So this is nothing but, see, we have started with from 5 and minus and means we have moved to the left hand side. How much? We have moved to root 2. So this particular point is nothing but 5 minus root 2. Is it clear? Now in a similar manner, I have to take minus 1 minus root 5. So minus 1 minus root 5, if you wanted to take, what should be your origin? Your origin should be now minus 1. So from that you are going to take. Now children, here given root 5. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2. So from minus 1, see, this becomes your new origin. As you know, root 4 is 2. So I will move 2. But which side we have to move? As it is told minus root 5. That means we have to go on the left hand side. So we have moved 2 part. 1 part and 2 part towards the left hand side. Okay. So this is nothing but the root 4, right? 2 unit means root 4, na? So this is what? Minus 1 minus root 4. This part. Now from here we will go further for root 5, isn't it? So what we are going to do here, we are going to draw the perpendicular on root 3 part. So let's do that. So we have drawn the perpendicular. Once we draw a perpendicular, what is the next step? Take a unit distance, right? So with the help of compass you have to take. We are not going to take 2 because they have already given us 9 line. So you have to take the distance between any 2 points, right here. So between any 2 points you take a distance, say from minus 2 to minus 1. So that is also your unit distance. So with the unit distance you are going to take it. Once again observe from minus 2 to minus 1. So this is the unit distance. So from minus 3 I am going to take a unit distance. So this is my unit distance. Okay, I am just making it little dark so that you can observe. So this is what is the unit distance. Now what is the next step? You are going to join the origin and that unit distance whatever you have taken, right? So from this you are going to join. Now what is the last step? You are going to take this minus 1 to the unit distance. तहाँ तक का जो distance था वो. Okay. I hope everybody is able to see this. So this distance I am going to take. And where you are going to take an arc? You are going to take an arc on the number line. Correct? So I have drawn on the number line where it is intersecting that particular point. You just make it little darker, highlight it. This is nothing but minus 1 minus root 5. This is nothing but minus 1 minus root 5. So we have drawn 5 minus root 2 and minus 1 minus root 5.